What's up, YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here from OregonCarSource.com, coming at you with another walk around video about the beautiful truck behind me. You've seen this truck in a few of my videos before if you're a subscriber to the channel, and of course if you are a subscriber to the channel, thank you for that. This is an SR Tacoma 2022. We're expecting our first 2023s any day now, but this is a 2022 Tacoma SR four-wheel drive double cab V6 Tacoma. You know, everything you want and nothing you don't need, that's for sure. Nice looking truck. This color is magnetic gray. I'll probably get another one of these. I've already had a few of these, but I'm overdue for a truck again, and I'll be getting one of these again, most likely. 6,500 pound tow capacity with that 2-inch receiver hitch, 4 and 7 pin connections. You've got the easy fall tailgate, sheet molded fiber composite bed. No need for a bed liner. You got a nice little cubby hole here for your tie downs or what have you. Also have these D-rings. Track tie down system. You've even got keyless entry. It's not advanced keyless entry like our TRD models, but it is keyless entry. Spacious back seat with plenty of storage, both underneath the seat and behind. "16-inch steel wheels. You may have seen in a previous video about my personal truck, or my personal last SR anyways. You know, you put a little lift kit on these, little bigger wheels and tires, really changes the look of the truck, and in my opinion, looks a little better than the stock TRD off-road. Got all your power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. You do have a manually adjustable seat on the SR. We'll start this one up. You got a bed light here, traction control off, automatic high beams. Down here we've got your ECT power control. This truck does have both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability. Lots of cup holders, 6-speed automatic transmission. Same 2-speed transfer case as any of our Tacomas. Even a TRD Pro is going to have this same transfer case. We've got dual zone auto climate control, so separate temperature for driver and passenger. Of course, air conditioning, heated outside mirrors. We've got backup camera. We've got Sirius satellite radio. You know, very well equipped for an entry-level truck. Steering wheel stereo controls, phone controls, lots of information available to you in the multi-information display there. Sunglass holder up top here with the SOS button. And yeah, great truck. Love to earn your business on it. This, like the 4Runner, is available here for sale, so we're willing to sell it to anyone, even someone not local to the Southeast Portland community, since it's arrived here not pre-sold. Posted a video on that one yesterday, and almost didn't get around to making the second video, another video today, like I promised myself I'd start doing for October, but then somebody called, and they're on their way for this one. They'll be here tomorrow to pick it up. If you enjoyed the video and you live here in the Portland area, come down and see me at Southeast 122nd, 750 Southeast 122nd Avenue here in Southeast Portland at Ron Tuck and Toyota, right across the street from Multnomah County Library. If you're not here local, but you're interested in purchasing that vehicle, give me a call. Go to my website. My phone number is 503-875-5938. My website's OregonCarSource.com. I'd love to earn your business. Yeah, have a great day. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see some more videos.